Hi dear students, welcome to online education program. See, in the previous session we discussed various methods of index numbers. So, under that weighted index method now is asking the case for 10 marks or case study for 20 marks Laspier's method, Postier's method and Fisher index method. So, here Laspier's method, Postier's method and Fisher index method. So, here the 20 marks case study, 20 marks case study is asking here. So, what is the data is given? Commodity 2005 year price is given, quantity is given, 2006 price is given, quantity is given. So, according to this data, to calculate, to construct the index number, under three methods, So, various, what is that formula for Laspier's method, Postier's method and index method we discussed in the previous class. According to that, you have to develop the construct what is that index number. So, under that first you have to identify so what is P0, Q0 and P1 and Q1. So, that value has to identified, has to calculate. Now, so here 2005 is the base year. This is called it as 0, that is nothing but P0, quantity that is nothing but Q0. So, 2006 is the current year, this is called it as P1, quantity is Q1. According to that, I have to develop the table. So, I have to evaluate the value of P0, Q0, P1 and Q1. Now, in the solution, calculate the various values of commodities. What is that? Number 1, commodity. So, now here is P0, Q0, now P1, Q1. Now, so commodity is A, B, C and D. So, P0 is the base year price 2542, base year commodity 8, 10, 14, 19. Then current year price that is nothing but P1. So, 4652. So, current year commodity is 6, 5, 10 and 15. So, this is as the data is given in the question. Now, has to calculate, P0, P1 Q0, P1 Q0. Why? So, now the number 1 Laspier's method, formula for that, number 1. So, number 1 Laspier's method, P01 equals, so formula sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into 100. I already mentioned. So, Laspier's is give the importance for the Q0. So, we focused on the base year quantity. Therefore, so the index number is P1 divided by P0. So, with the multiplication of Q0 divided by Q0 into 100. Now, therefore, has to calculate P1 Q0. How it is calculated? P1 Q0 multiplication of these two, that is 8 4s 32. So, 10 6 60. So, 14 5s 70, 14 5s 70, then 250 2 9s 38. So, summation of P1 Q0 equals, that is total is 200. 0, 10, 20, 10, 2, so plus 2 10 0 0 1 carries 10 10 19 20 200. Next after that to calculate P0 Q0 P0 Q0. So, how it is calculated? P0, this is the P0 column, then Q0, multiplication of these two. So, 2 8s are 16, 5 10s are 50, 4 14s are 56, 4 14s are 56, 2 19s are 38, 2 19s are 38. So, sigma P0 Q0, sigma P0 Q0 equals that is 160. Calculate it. Now it is required for P1 Q1 after that P0 Q1. So, this has to calculate. Now, P1 Q1. So, 4 into 6 24, 6 into 5 30, 5 into 10 50, then 2 into 15 30. So, summation of P1 Q1 equals 134. Then P0 into Q1, 2 into 6 12, then 5 into 5 25, 4 into 10 40, then 2 into 15 30. So, summation of P0 Q1 equals that is 107. So, this is the calculation part is required. Then after that, so number one Laspier's method, under that index value equals index number equals that is sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into 100. That is sigma P0 P1 Q0 is 200 divided by sigma P0 Q0 160 into 100. That is 200 divided by 160 into 100, that is 125. 125 is the index value under Laspier's method. Then number 2 is Postier's method. Under that the formula is P01 equals sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. So, sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into 100. Now, sigma P1 Q1 is 134 divided by sigma P0 Q1 is 107 into 100. Simplify it, we will get 134 divided by 107 into 100. So, 125.23 is the index value under Postier's method. Third one is I write here only. Third one is, so that is Fisher index method. Fisher's method. So, under this the formula is P01 equals square root of first Laspier's method, that is sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into Postier's method sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. So, sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. Now, the value of this, so square root of sigma P0 Q0, sigma P1 Q0 is 200 divided by sigma P0 Q0 160 into sigma summation of P1 Q1, P1 Q1 is 134 divided by P0 Q1 is 107 into 100. Now square root of simplify it. So we will get 26,800 whole divided by 17,120. So into 100 into 100. So that is equal to square root of 1.5654 into 100. So we will simplify it 1.2511 into 100. So that is equal to so answer is 125.11. So this is under Laspier's method, Fisher index method. See, so construct the index number using the Laspier's, past years and the Fisher index method. Commodity price 2005 base year data is given, current year data is given. So current year price, current year quantity, what is that? Base year price, base year quantity, current year price, current year quantity is given. So commodity P0 Q0, P1 Q1, this is called as a base data, current year data. Now calculate according to the requirement of past year's method P1 Q0. So P1, this is the P1 column, then Q0 column, this is 8 into 2, 10 into 6, 10 into 6, 16, 14 into 5, 70, 19 into 2, 38. Next P0 Q0, multiplication of 2 into 8, 16, 5 into 10, 50, 4 into 14, 56, 2 into 19, 36. Then after that P1 Q1, this is the current year price and the current year quantity. So 4 into 6, 24, 6 into 5, 30, 5 into 10, 50, 2 into 50, 30. So then after that P0 Q1, so base year price and current year quantity, base year price, current year quantity, 2 into 6, 12, 5 into 6, 5 current year quantity, 5 into 5, 25, 4 into 10, 40, 2 into 15, 30. So take the summation of P1 Q1, P1 Q0, that is sigma P1 Q0 equals 200, summation of P0 Q0 is 160, summation of P1 Q1 is 134, summation of P0 Q1 is 107. So based on that, to calculate the index value under Laspier's method, index value P01 equals sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into 100. So sigma P1 Q1 is 200 divided by sigma P0 Q0 is 160, 200 divided by 160 into 100, that is 125. Under Fisher Laspier's index method, so 125 of present index value is increases. Then Paasche method, so price index value P01 equals, so sigma summation of P1 Q1, that is 134 divided by summation of P0 Q1 107. So 134 divided by 107 into 100, 125.23. Slight difference 0.23 is increases according to Laspier's and Paasche method. Multiplication of these two will get the Fisher index method. That is Fisher index method P01 equals square root of summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q0, that is a Laspier's formula value has to taken into Paasche value has to taken, that is the sigma summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q1 into 100. So that is 200 divided by 160, 134 divided by 107 into 100. So square root of multiplication of these two, 26,800 divided by 17,120 into 100. So simplify it, square root of divided by 26,800 divided by 17,120, it comes to 1.5654. Square root of this and multiplied with 100. So square root of 1.56, it is equal to 1.2511. So with one multiplication of 100, we will get 1.25.11. So, that is under last what is that Fisher index method. We can multiply it with these two, 125 into 126, 125.23 square root of this will get, so that is nothing but 125.11, 125.11. This is so various methods, that is Laspier's, Pasteur's method and Fisher index method. So, this is a case study for 20 marks. 20 marks. For the point of examination, we should concentrate these type of questions for the getting more marks in the examination. Thank you.